Welcome back to Google Food, guys. Today, pita bread. Let's do it.
Here are all the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Remember, exact amount on the description down below. We got flour, yeast, olive oil, salt, and water. This one is so easy, you just gotta combine all the ingredients together, put it in your mixer, and hit go. So let's do it. After all the ingredients are combined together, we're going to change it to the dough hook. Now, as you can see here, the dough is very sticky. In order for you to be able to get the consistency right, add the flour little by little until the sides stop sticking. Once it's no longer sticking, you know your dough is done. Now, depending on your location and where you are, the moisture will determine how much flour you will use. Once you get this type of consistency, then your dough is ready. Now you just gotta ball it, put a little bit of olive oil on the pan, and let it rest until it doubles its size. Now this recipe will give you a total of 6 pita breads. Now we cover it and let it rise until it doubles its size. All there's left to do is pan fry them in medium-high heat until they look good.
So as you can see, it's very flaky. You know, it's not like normal pita bread where you purchase from the store that is flat. This one is kind of like almost like a naan bread. It has a fantastic texture. Let me give it a try. It's fantastic. It's so flaky, very soft. It's just great, man. I can eat this all day long. I really hope you give this one a go. It's really good. Wow. It's like my friends say, you know, it's amazing! Super flaky, super delicious. There's nothing like fresh bread, you know? This is the pita bread, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is down in the description below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.